Nelisiwe Sibiya ngihamba Portia M Foundation. Sila KwaMyandu shopping center Umlazi. Sizobona Londiwe, who's the owner of this beautiful salon esemumva kwami. To celebrate her Women's Month, so sifuna ukumenzela ukuthi usuku lakhe and her month be beautiful, and we have so many gifts for her. Asingene phakathi. Moonlight Beauty Salon.
Hi.
Thank you so much for having us.
Oh, thank you.
So, Ngizelana ne Portia M, and we are here to give you this and say Happy Women's Month.
Thank you so much. Happy Women's Month to you too. All right. Thank you. These are beautiful.
What do you do and what is this place all about?
Okay, Moonlight Beauty Salon is where you find your glow. Actually, that is our motto. It's find your glow. We have like a whole variety of hairstyles that we provide, from braids to straight ups, straight backs. We have haircuts, we have dreadlocks, we have nails, and we do makeup too. So yeah, it's like all your beauty essentials, you can find them here.
And since we know for the past 3 weeks, things are very hectic.
Very.
How did you handle all of that?
We only started running from the 1st of July, and everything was taken away from us on the 11th. So we only ran for 1 week. So yeah, it was basically very devastating. It was a very bad start for us.
I'm so sorry about everything that happened. I'm sure we're winning off for
very difficult.
Everyone else.
Yes.
But everything is about to change for you, because me and Portia M Sizelana to give you all the products that you need. From my shampoo to my styling gel to my hair dryer to person in my croy. You know, all those things. Portia M, the Portia M Foundation.
Oh yes.
We actually have my products are corner.
Oh wow,
yes.
oh wow. I do
boxes.
know the products. I use the products. I use marula oil. It helps me so much in winter. It keeps my skin hydrated.
Yeah.
I love the products, you know.
So yabona introduce Umlazi.
Definitely. I have to have them on display there.
And I'm really proud of you. You're so young, but you have so many people working here.
Oh yes,
and
yes.
Jobs for other people. It's very good.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm getting there. I'm trying to build a legacy.
Yes.
Moonlight Beauty Salon, and open other branches somewhere else. And like, you know, there's a lot of other girls abahleli ekhaya manje who have the skill. So my face is yes. Afro, Babavu. Yeah, those are your things. Oh, Mama, thank you so much, Nelly. Thank you.
And that's it from me, Nelisiwe Sibiya and Portia M Foundation. Thank you so much to Moonlight Beauty Salon with Ulondiwe.